To change currency in Google Play Store, all you have to do is open up Google Play Store and then click on your profile, which is on your top right there. And then from there, select payments and subscription. And from there, select payment methods. And this will load up the screen here. Scroll all the way down and click on more payment settings. And this will now prompt you to open up in your browser. So you can just choose your browser and then just open it on your browser. And if you have not logged in, and it might sometimes prompt you to log in to your Google Play Store account. So you just do that if it asks you. Okay, and you will get to this screen here. So now click on the three hamburger icon on the three lines there on your top left, tap on it, and then from there select settings. And from the settings here, once you get to the settings page here, so what we're going to do is scroll all the way down and you will see there's an option called country or region. So if you want to change the currency, then you need to change the country based on the currency. So whatever currency that you want to change to, so you want to change the country based on that currency as well. So that will now reflect the change. So click on this country or region and click on create new profile. Okay, and then hit on continue, and then now choose the country. So for example, if I want to change it to Japanese yen, so what I have to do is I have to change the country to Japan so that I will get the currency in yen. Okay, so to do that, simply select it and then choose the country. So for example, in this case, let's say Japan. So I'll just look for Japan. There you go, that's Japan. Hit on continue, and then now you're going to provide your name and your address details for that specific country you're changing. So once you have provided that, hit on submit. When you hit on submit, this profile will now be created and it will be used on your Google Play Store. So your location will now be in Japan. So once it's in Japan, then all your Play Store currencies and all the values will be changed to Japanese yen. So this is how you actually change the currency on Google Play Store.